Filmmaker and writer Zoya Akhtar recently appeared on Komal Nahta's podcast Game Changers. During the conversation, she opened up about the failure of the Archie Sand, expressed her guilt over seeing newcomers Sohana Khan, Yuvraj Mehta, Mihir Ahuja, Khushi Kapoor, Vedang Rena and Agastya Nanda being trolled for the film. Where did the Archies get any praise? It wasn't like anybody was kind to me because the film was released on OTT. If it had been a theatrical release, the film would have been slightly different. At that time, you feel terrible and responsible, but then I did my best. When asked if she felt guilty about the newcomers bearing the brunt of the film's failure, Zoya Akhtar said yes and shared, and I quote, "They all are very talented and I would love to work with them again. What I felt terrible about was that they were newcomers. I auditioned them. We gave them the roles. A very professional crew dressed them. There were all the best names in the business involved. I workshopped with them. I okayed the take, so it was me. They just did what I had asked them to do. I did not like the fact that they were being almost bullied. It wasn't nice, it was all my responsibility, so I did feel guilty. But then they asked me not to." Zoya Akhtar spoke about the actors getting trolled and said, and I quote, "The audience is harsh with certain newcomers, not with all of them. I felt bad when this happened. If the audience did not like it, it was on me and not them. They're all very talented and people will see that with time." Zoya Akhtar is currently gearing for the release of her production venture Superboys of Malegaon, which hits screens on February 28th. Khushi Kapoor, who was also one of the actors in Zoya Akhtar's Archies, also recently broke her silence on the way the audiences reacted to her movie.
When I heard about the Archies, it was very sweet and wholesome, and the comic books were always a huge part of my childhood, so it was a really exciting part to play. I feel like Betty Cooper in my eyes was always this really iconic comic book character, and I think knowing that Zoya was making this film, it wasn't a thought in my head because I know that she's all heart about everything that she does. And Archies was actually the first audition I ever gave in my life, and I gave around 3 or 4 auditions for it. And I didn't really plan on starting at that point because I had just come back from film school, and it was around COVID time. So things were very murky at that point. But I think just knowing that Zoya was making this film, and I felt like it was a film for the youth. It was not a very serious film, fun, light. And there were so many great people in this cast also. I made so many amazing friends. So I think it was definitely a very special journey. We took a very long time to shoot that film also. So just a lot of emotional attachment with that project. So I think I didn't choose it specifically because it had a political stance in it. But I think overall, with everything being considered, it was a very sweet and wholesome film. And that's why I think I gravitated towards it.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत और आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamour role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.